Mampani Nana Adodanko Akufo Addo na kachi na maneba eba no se na wiem honom no pani na bomaden mo de ne akiremu e won kran bia ne den ane kwabenya ede na pani kwa ya ne wo ba pani be hwe wa mampani bo se na oma bomaden asi bia police fo betimi atena mekire aye kwabenya police barrack so hu na chese omo asi awia sabre de yese adan ahodo egum no anya dan wa yese adan no twamu be se ahasa ane edumienu 312 baby a police fo ombetimi anya nenei omatimi de omuti ato na bra mampani bomaden nya bra woni samtrofo kasa wo kirechemu yayi eno so we krompo no eye first phase 1 no ena enipa anasa adan be se ahasa ne dumienu yo wose phase 2 de be ka de ne oboa adan be sa henum ne akire ena posifo mo mantem no no omu benya na kyese omu so atimi de omuti akwa akotumu na edan no nyesa bi adan keke ena omansi na esi onum nko na posifo no kwa akotene mo hwe yese baabi ankwada kora betima kosuku ewo onum nyina no mpanifo bomaden de bi ahyesa edan ne mu enu achi se bi omu betimi abomaden na omadi agro kakra de fense aso tafi enu so saa omatima abomaden edi bi ahyemu etinu ma bebrebe ena egum clinic nyina ebi hyehyem se ye ya amanfo bomade ombo mampani abaso mampani se we no ekame se edi adanse pefese no kre woni na ban MPP amanyokoi oma bomtirimu po se akade na afenuoma ombetimi da ma posifo amo omunsu tirimu abomade ada ofan no mayiro mo ho abo ban ana fagapade ho eban ewo gane memu ase no enu anu ogusu oyo ntiwe na waye no enya ade a obetimi de si ogusu a wo hwe se aposifo benya babipa edi wonti ato.
These state-of-the-art facilities have been constructed through a public-private partnership with a unique development company for our hard-working men and women of the Ghana Police Service. The facility is made up of 514 one- and two-bedroom self-contained flats, of which 322 have been completed and ready for occupation. These units are fitted with modern facilities and will serve as comfortable homes and afford a conducive working environment for police officers and their family. In addition to the residential accommodations, this project also provides a school with modern facilities, a clinic, an AstroTurf football field, a tennis court, a standby generator, a police station, a fuel filling station, a workshop enclave, and other essential amenities. This is further testimony of our unwavering commitment to provide decent accommodation and other facilities for our security personnel. Not only will this facility improve the welfare of the police officers, it will also enhance their capacity to serve our nation even more effectively.
Episode for Tuba ni Mokrata no so Facebook page no say wakoma 87.9 mabonsa no kwa dan ya dan Ghana fe bruta posi fo be dem onu be feel hwe ne fa eyo netwa so abrosan 1 2 3 4 ai yesi we cry phase 1 tene ne phase 2 ne be kan se atuma bra enya sam 20 na ya fa video no to sena wonu mera mehwe bi ye wo mabo adwuma mo ya de ma ya denti mampani ana yate ne na no se ya no ana posi sadom no mekire eye Inspector General of Police IGP Yewra George Akufo Dampari Doctor wabomaden adam mampani asese watimi abomaden ade bibi se atimi de abrom na ohye se
Also, thank Mr. President in particular and his government in general for delivering on his promise to give us this facility. And I want to say, Mr. President, we thank you very much. What we are seeing is the first of its kind in my own life history. And for that, we are eternally grateful to you, Mr. President. Mr. President, it is to give you the assurance on behalf of my colleagues and hold myself personally responsible as long as I remain Inspector General of Police that this facility, its maintenance, we will never make it your headache. And maintaining our facilities and bringing them to standard, as I have been alluded to, is a science we are seeing at our headquarters, and we'll bring that same thinking and commitment of maintenance to this facility and all other police. Mr. President, is also to assure you that as Oliver Twist, we will always ask for more, because there are so many other places that deserve a facility like this, so as to help myself and my colleagues to be able to continue to prosecute the agenda of ensuring that there is peace, security, law, and order in this country.
And yebe so ye pa na mom yebe sansere biam se yemanfo no doso police fo no doso nti ebe ye abomode aso betire me ba ne se ayen so yetim be ye de ne ebe yire ho abodwuma so pa abo oman no
yada so agina bambon sem na Kumasi Kropon yi ane emeyo ya wada no ayo manyamfo sampan wakasa